Did you know there's a guy at the mall who thinks he's Sherlock Holmes for lost stuff? Meet Dave. He carries around a detective kit like he's solving murders, but really he's just finding your missing AirPods. This man will literally get on his hands and knees to study footprints when someone loses their phone. He interviews witnesses like it's a crime scene. Excuse me, did you see a suspicious Samsung Galaxy walking by? He calls it object trajectory psychology, which sounds fancy, but it's basically just looking under benches. The best part? People actually wait for him now. They schedule their shopping trips around his patrol hours. Oh good, Detective Dave is here. Maybe he can find my car keys. Then Black Friday happened, pure chaos. 12 people lost stuff at the same time. Dave went full CSI mode, running between cases with his little magnifying glass. He solved every single one. Now the mall officially calls him their personal property recovery specialist, which is the fanciest way to say really good at finding lost junk. The man found his calling in the food court.